Hello everyone. I am back with some more delicious and yummy recipes. If you're looking for a quick and healthy meal option, these individual sized Greek pizzas are the perfect solution. Packed with fresh vegetables, herbs, and a light, thin crust. Now, let me show you how easy and quick and delicious this can be. I have here, as you could see, some vegetables. I have one sliced green bell pepper, one medium-sized red onion, and a handful of cherry tomatoes that have been halved. And what you're going to do is just simply all these ingredients, you're going to saute them in some extra virgin olive oil until they are a little bit soft, not overly cooked. And so this is what it's going to be. I have some here. This is what your veggies are going to look like, and this is what you want. Sauteed vegetables, bell peppers, red onions, and tomatoes. And now I am going to put together and create my pizza, my Greek pizza. And here I have a small sized flatbread that I'm going to use. As you could see, it's thin, and so it's perfect and healthy and easy to work with. And I'm going to top this with my sauteed vegetables, just like so. Like this, there. Then I'm going to sprinkle on some dried oregano. Now I am going to put on some shredded mozzarella cheese. And you don't want to drench your pizza and your veggies with mozzarella cheese. Just enough where it will combine everything together. Then to this, I'm going to add kalamata olives, sliced. This is going to be delicious. Then, of course, some crumbled feta cheese. And it's as easy as that. As far as creating a quick, healthy meal for either just for yourself or for a number of people in your household. And you're going to put this into the toaster oven for about 6 minutes. And you don't want to overly cook this either in the oven, because everything is pretty much cooked, and all you want to do is just kind of melt the cheese and toast the bread. And that's pretty much it. So about 6 minutes or so, depending on your oven, your toaster oven. And here comes out the pizza. It's ready to go. And this is what it's going to look like. How delicious does that look? It is so flavorful. You're going to love it. There's so much flavor in this. I hope you guys try this, enjoy, and like this video. And there's more to come. Thank you.